Hello, in this video today we're going to teach you how to do the ear. Now we're going to do the ear, show the ear in three views: the front view, the side view and the back view. Most times the ear is the most ignored part of the face and we generally just do a very rough sketch, but it's very important to understand the construction of the ear. So basically when you're seeing a face right in front, the shape of the ear takes the form this way. Now we start putting in all the muscles. This part is called the helix and this the tragus. We take a curve beneath the tragus and curve it this way and take it inwards. So this is called the anti-helix. So this protrudes and this goes in. So we will be showing a little darkness over here to give the impression that it is in and then moving out towards this side. This is the earlobe and this is the side of the face. Now we start rendering this to understand how to show the ear in three dimensions. So we start by showing a little bit of shadow on the portion which is of the ear which is attached to the face. We add in a little shadow here, we add in a little shadow on this side, and then we move towards the helix. Start adding in shadows here. Then we move inside the ear, add darkness to this portion. Add a little darkness between the helix and the anti-helix. Bring and erase off the sharp line over here. Start adding shadows inside. Beneath the tragus, the darkest portion. Slowly lighten as you move up. A little bit of shadow beneath the earlobe. And we will blend using a paper stump to give the softness to the whole ear. The next view that we're going to see is the side view. How does a ear look when you look at it from the side? The ear will look a little broader. You will see the helix go deeper. Anti-helix, a little more straighter. The tragus. And the earlobe. Once you've gotten the contour of the ear, we'll start putting in the shading. We start again by shading the portion of the ear which is attached to the face and start adding values to portions which are inside the ear. here's the ear in the side view. Now let's see how a ear looks when you're looking at it from the back. Obviously you're not seeing the insides of the ear, and you're basically seeing just the shape of the ear. So this is the edge of the ear. Curve it up. So you're only able to see the helix. This part is called the helix. Start putting in some shadows. We again take the paper stump to add a few values, smoothen out some portions, add a bit of shadow beneath the ear, onto the portion. Just for your reference, I'm going to mark out what each part of the ear is called. So this portion that you see is called the helix. This portion here is called the anti-helix. This portion which protrudes out is called the tragus. This is called the lobule, and this is called anti-tragus. It's very important for you to understand the anatomy of the ear so that you're able to draw each part and understand which part goes in and which part comes out. I hope you enjoyed this and you will try practicing different kinds of ears.